Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 keeps freezing. So here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in add or remove programs. Once you open it, find the Forza Horizon here. Now, if you install it from Steam, it won't be here, or it will, but it will lack advanced options. If you installed it through Xbox app, you'll see like advanced options. You want to click on them, and now you want to click on repair, and it will repair the game files, reset, and it will reset the game or the app fully. After you've done that, you want to close this out. You want to go to here, you want to expand this menu. You want to double click on the NVIDIA app, update your drivers to the latest game ready drivers. Now you want to go to system, you want to disable the G-Sync. If you have it enabled, you want to click here and then click off and then apply. And now you want to go to settings also and disable the NVIDIA overlay. After you've done all of that, you want to exit out of this, go back to here. You want to right click on the NVIDIA app, open the NVIDIA control panel. Once it opens, you want to click here, manage 3D settings. You go to program settings. This is per app. And now you want to find the Forza Horizon. I'll show you on the Roblox, just for example. So you find it on the list. And after you find it on the list, you want to scroll a bit till you find max frame rate. Now you want to click on it and it will open this window. You want to click on and you want to limit your FPS depending on your GPU and your display. If you have like lower tier GPU, you want to cap it maybe to 60 or 120 and you want to click OK. You can also like try different versions like 60 and then see if it fixes anything, then 80, then 120, then 144, and then see if it's like smooth at that. If it's smooth at that, you can save it permanently, and you want to, after cap it in the NVIDIA app, put the frame rate cap in the Forza Horizon 6 in the game. You want to put it to unlimited. And also you can, like, if you have like all the highest settings, you can turn them down a bit, and that should also help you fix the issue. The last thing also you can do is like close all third-party apps like MSI Afterburner, GPU, like utility like files, like GPU utility programs like RGB fans, etc., fan control, some 3D rendering modeling programs, etc. You want to close all of them, try relaunching the game and see if that fixes the issue. Also, the last thing you can try, one more thing before we go, is go to settings back again, go to display, scroll a bit till you find graphics, and you want in here, you want to click on the search list and then type in Forza. Once you find it, you want to expand it and put it to high performance, and then restart your PC, and then your game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Forza Horizon 6 freezing. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.